Can't see anything now. Yeah, that was a good idea, I think, on my part. Might as well reuse this wood. No sense in throwing it away. It definitely fills in the holes. I don't see anything now. Yeah, I'm waiting on the coffee. I'm getting ready to go get the drill. It's time to take down some more of those fence panels. Hopefully I'll get the rest of it done today. Hopefully. Well, the rope's still there. I personally think the fence that I put up looked a lot better than this situation, but hey, I guess, you know, a hoarder would much prefer to look at this type of monstrosity. Yeah, considering how much effort she put in late at night in order to get me to take my fence down, I do hope she's happy. That's right. Not only can I build a fence, I can take down a fence. Well, got a perfect view of the yard now, huh? Yeah, complete with the washer in the front yard. Look at that blue rope. It's hanging in there. Well, she didn't want to see my fence anymore. She didn't like having privacy, apparently. Well, yeah, I'm making a little progress. I still can't get over that. And that. Oh my gosh. Well, obviously her method worked. It did get me to take down my fence. I sincerely believe she is going to be missing the privacy the fence I built afforded her. It's complete with the washing machine. Still gotta do that, but hey, I do hope she enjoys her new privacy fence. Yeah, be careful what you wish for. And keep in mind, this wasn't what she wished for, or just what she wished for. She has been actively destroying the integrity of this fence that I built for the last few months, between digging the moat and that blue rope tied around the pole and that big giant boulder. You know, the fence, the integrity was shot on it. It went, and I wasn't about to let her keep the wood. So, yeah, okay. There you go. I still get my wood. I don't get to see my art project anymore, but she has at least what she wanted. I guess this is what she wanted. Privacy? I don't know. But for sure, everybody can see the trash now that I'm living next to. Yeah, quite the moat there. Nice big rock. You know, it just occurred to me, maybe she had me do this so that she didn't have to take down her own fence. Whatever, the lady is obviously a bit crazy, and you can't argue with crazy because it'll drain you of your energy. Seriously. Yeah, we all have crappy neighbors, I'm sure. But this one, she's in a league of her own. I think I got a lot accomplished today. Yeah, we do have some, wind and rain coming, and I really didn't want to have to be dealing with it after the wind and rain or during the wind and rain. So, yeah, I got the majority of it down. Still got to do alongside there, but I can only do so much in one day. But in the meantime, yeah, at this point she's got all the privacy she was seeking, I guess. And yes, I'm very disappointed. I'm going to miss my fence. I really enjoyed making that fence. I thought it was pretty awesome looking, just the wood and the rocks. And it took me a long time to make it. And I did have to clear out all her trash for like 3 weeks, a month, something like that, before I could even begin to build the fence. And then I had to fix her fence, which of course I took those screws out too. But yeah, I guess, the neighbor got what she wanted. The fence is gone. Yeah, slowly but surely restoring this area to its original glory. Oh gosh. Yeah. I guess this is what she wanted. And yes, I did take a bunch of pictures before I even started building the fence, showing all the trash and everything I had to clear up from her yard before I could even build it, and how I mended the fence together before I built my fence. And of course, the after of what my fence looked like. And then now I got all the pictures of, her digging out the moat, tying the tie, and forcing me to undo my fence because of the integrity was completely shot. Thanks to that big boulder, thanks to that rope, the constant pulling on the rope, and the moat, the trench. Like I said, just be grateful this isn't your neighbor. I would if I could. She just pulled up. Gosh, I hope she notices all the hard work I've done. Well, she hasn't walked over to it. Well, one thing's for certain, I'm definitely taking all the documentation of the before and after and the before and after and the during, me having to do all this. And I'm going to go to court, small claims court. I won't get anything, she won't be able to pay, but at least maybe I can give her some type of a headache. I don't know. I'd like to think I could give her a headache, considering how much she's put me through. Yeah, she may have got what she wanted, but I got a feeling when she realizes the privacy is gone, she may miss that. Screws put away. Okay, yeah. It's been a long day, and obviously that headache next door, the hoarder, the crazy lady who sabotaged the fence I spent so much time building. It's not over. It's not done just yet. But the part where I ended up taking down the fence is. So I guess I'll keep you posted when something new happens. Thanks for watching what I've been dealing with. Bye for now. Gee, I really hope she fixes this fence. I do. Or maybe I'll just have to go to the city and file a complaint. Yeah, I'm going to have the city come look at this and let her know she needs to fix her fence.